Before speed, before power, every Bugatti Tourbillon begins its journey in silence. In Mosheim, France, precision is not a process, it is a tradition.
Scanning access badge. Clearance confirmed. Proceed.
Titanium, aluminum, waiting to become a masterpiece. Under extreme heat, strength is forged, metal transformed by fire and control. This is where engineering becomes destiny, and the Bugatti Tourbillon is born.
Weave alignment on the left is precise. Confirmed. Right side matches symmetrically. Symmetry check passed.
Weitermut. Weitermut.
Final inspection on the V16 hybrid. All clear? Yes, torque specs and connections are perfect. Good. Log it and clear for integration. Route the power lines through the central harness.
Copy that. Connectors are locking in.
Good. Signal wires next. Keep them separated.
cautious.
The journey begins. Our gold Bugatti Tourbillon emerges from its transporter, ready to command attention. Every detail, every surface, every movement, perfection in motion as the driver takes his place. A single press awakens the heart of the beast. The V16 hybrid engine roars to life. Golden sunlight dances on the curves as the Bugatti Tourbillon conquers the coastal highway. A cinematic arrival, elegance and power meet under the fog and lights of a grand manor. From scenic roads to private estates, every mile is an experience of pure luxury. The airport tarmac becomes a stage where engineering excellence meets a lifestyle of privilege. Twilight city lights blur into motion as the Bugatti Tourbillon dominates every bridge and road. Every aerodynamic detail reacts instinctively, precision, performance, and beauty in harmony. Through forests and sunlit roads, the Bugatti Tourbillon blends adventure with artistry. Cliffside highways, shimmering gold reflections, the journey is as breathtaking as the destination. The finale of elegance, the Bugatti Tourbillon rests, commanding the attention of all who arrive.